Hello, hi, welcome to my channel Hours Computer Learning. My name is Tarika Dedipya and present topic is CSS. Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon for interesting topics about CSS.
About the CSS fonts, lesson number 14. My name is Tarika Didipya and in the notepad in the browser. So today we are going to see the CSS font family. Now in the notepad, the CSS font family of a text is set with the font family property only. So in the class property, here I am going to add a class property. This was our previous text lesson. So here in the class I am going to write the surf, and in the lowercase, instead of lowercase, I'm going to write the sans fresh, S-A and sans surf. Okay, and here in the first p dot, here I'm going to use surf because I'm clicking check. I'm using the class attribute. So in this, here I'm going to write the font family. Font family like times. Remember, note is if the name of the font family is more than one word, it must be in quotations like this. So times space capital NEW new capital R Roman and quotation closed. And remember another one, more than one font family is specified in a comma separated with the listers. So list next I'm going to use the times, and next I'm going to use the surf, SERIF surf. So closing the declaration, and in the second one I have used the sans fresh. So sans, here I'm going to write the sans surf, and in the font family, in the declaration I'm going to write font dash family dot dot. Here I'm going to use the Arial and Helvetica, sorry, E got in the capital, Helvetica. And next, this is all the font designs, you can google it, sans hyphen surf and comma. So more than one font family is specified with a comma separated, and if the name of a font family is more than one word, it must be in the quotation marks like this. So this is more than one, so it is in the quotation. So Control S and refreshing my browser. So you can see I'm going to cut off this another divide element and capitalizing, so that you won't get any types of disturbance. So cutting off everything so that you won't get any types of disturbance while cutting. So Control S and refreshing my browser. So now you can see the Times New Roman font also, and next this paragraph shows in the Arial font. So the font family property should hold several font names like as a fallback system. That means if the browser does not support for the first font, it tries the next font, and so on. So it will tries like that. If second one will not work out, it will tries in the third one. So it starts with the font you want and end with a generic family to let the browser pick a similar font in the generic family. If no other fonts are available, then it is confirmed, it will fix the what we have written the font size. So note one thing, again I am telling, if the name of a font family is more than one word, it must be in the quotation marks, and more than one font family, it should be specified in the commas with separated. So this is our font CSS fonts, and tomorrow we are going to see about the CSS font styles and CSS font styles. So please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Do not miss my notification bells. Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Bye.
Signing off, Tarika Dedipya. Thank you for watching Hours Computer Learning. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Subscribe button, bell icon.